What's up guys, welcome to another video, and today I'll be building the Akko 5075S. First, let's take a look at what comes in the box. The Akko 5075S is a gasket-mounted 75% keyboard, which is quite the trend nowadays, and it includes a knob as well. Its build is primarily plastic, which definitely helps cut down its cost. In this unit, I have a PC plate. Its back also features 2 levels of height adjustment. More importantly, the stabilizers are plate mounted, so let's take a look at them first. For this build, we'll be using some CS wine red switches, also from Akko. These are the factory lubed version of these switches, and since I'm a student with limited time, I decided to use these switches as is. Akko says that they use Krytox 105 and 205G0, so let's take a listen. Let's listen to how these plate mount stabilizers sound stock first. It comes with a palm housing and a palm and TPU stems, which definitely I think helps minimize rattle and ping. But also I'm definitely a bit biased because I love the color of these. For some reason, I absolutely could not get the spacebar stabilizer out, so we'll be leaving those as is. There's a bit of factory lube on both the wires and the stems, but I'll be adding a bit more. I'm just using some dielectric grease here, but you could use XHT BDZ if you prefer that. But I do find that gets a bit more messy. These are PPT double shot keycaps in Akko's unique profile. I tried to choose a color that would match the blue on the 5075S, and this was the closest I could get. Honestly, I think it fits pretty well. I gotta say, I absolutely love the packaging when it comes to Akko's keycaps. But I think these keycaps definitely give a keyboard a very unique sound, similar to that of the SA profile. Here we've got the Go knob to finish off the build. Overall, I think this board is great for its price of $89.99 for a complete build with keycaps and switches. It feels okay, and I think sound is definitely helped with these ASA profile keycaps. Because of its plastic case, there's not much ping. I think if you're a big RGB fan and you like knobs, this board definitely checks all those boxes.